Alright audio enthusiasts, prepare to be amazed because the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise cancelling headphones are here to transform your listening experience. These aren't just good, they offer industry-leading noise cancellation that truly silences the world around you, whether you're commuting, flying, or just seeking peace at home. Imagine conversations fading, engine hum disappearing. It's an unparalleled level of quiet that lets your music, podcasts, or audiobooks take center stage. But the magic doesn't stop there. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy days of uninterrupted audio without constantly searching for a charger. That means less downtime and more immersive sound, making them perfect for long trips or extended work sessions. And for ultimate convenience, the multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between two devices, like your laptop and phone, without ever missing a beat. This seamless integration and superior performance set the WH-1000XM5 apart, offering a premium audio solution that truly understands modern needs. If you're looking to upgrade your headphones and invest in an unmatched listening experience, these are absolutely worth considering. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the latest prices and details on Amazon via the link in the description below. For anyone serious about incredible sound and absolute quiet, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are undoubtedly the best noise-canceling headphones you can get in 2025.